Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome sa ating channel. At bago tayo magpatuloy, paghingi ng isang like and subscribe. At huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay, so our topic is to graph the line that goes through x is 1, y is -3 with a slope of -3/4. Okay, so first, okay, yun ang point natin. I-locate natin si 1 and -3. X is +1. Ito yung +1, di ba? Then, y is -3. Okay, so this is -3. So, yun ang point natin. Yun ang location ni x is 1, y is -3. Ngayon, gamitin natin yung slope. This is -3. Okay? Ibig sabihin, yung ano niya is going, yung direction niya, since negative yan, going down, 3 units going down. Okay? Ayan, kasi -3. Pag +3 yan, 3 units going up. Okay, so since -3 yan, so 3 units going down. So since 4 yung denominator, positive, so pag positive, going to the right. Pag negative, going to the left. So since positive yan, that is 4 units going to the right. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So yan ang location. So ngayon, dito naman sa kabila, going sa left tayo, dito sa taas, dito, para mag-graph natin yan. Okay, so going sa right, going sa left, 4 units, then going up, 3 units. The same, going sa left, 4, okay, yun ang next point. Then 4 units going sa left, then going up, 3 units. Yan point. Then i-connect natin yung point. Ayan. So, yan ang graph that goes through 1, x is 1, y is -3. Okay, so yan lang muna yung topic natin. At again, sa hindi pa nakasubscribe, paki-subscribe na lang at huwag kalimutan pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Maraming salamat and God bless.